Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So actually in this video, I'm kind of doing an update of an old video. So about 2 years ago, I did this video here, the 3 easy, simple ways of how to get some elf ears. I should do an updated version because I know a lot more tips now and I feel like I could just do it better. In this video, I'll be showing you easy ways how to DIY some elf ears, perfect for Halloween or just for any day use. Okay, so the first elf ear, you have liquid latex, any type of liquid latex you can get from a party store. And then we need some Kleenex or some tissue paper, whatever you call it, or toilet paper or paper towel will work as well. So we're basically just going to be building up a point right here on our ears. So for this part, make sure I'm going to go ahead and put a headband on. So if I'm working here, the liquid latex will go on the headband and it won't get in my hair. I'm just going to start off here by applying the liquid latex onto the top portion of my ear, just like so. I'm just going to go in with the Kleenex here and start to build that up with little strips. Just keep building it up, applying your latex, trying to keep that shape of your ear on the inside. That's good there. Now I'm going to start to focus on building up the actual point on my ear here. Probably do 3 layers of the Kleenex on the point here, just because I do want it to be stable and strong. This is how mine is looking so far. You can see the shape of it, and now I'm just taking some more liquid latex and just extending it further onto my ear just so everything kind of goes together. Now you just have to let this dry. Okay, so while this one is drying, guys, I'm gonna go on to the other ear and I'll show you another little tip. Next one is gonna be with magic modeling clay. This is just like the Crayola white clay. Here, I'm just gonna mold it into a point. So I'll show you here. So I kind of got it like this. And I'm gonna flatten it out a little bit more. I'm gonna give it a good press into my ear. So this is really nice because you can mold it right into your ear. Pushing it around, and if the clay gets in your hair, this is no big deal. So you could do this the night before and then let this dry. You're gonna have the exact indent of your ear, you know what I mean? And then you can just put liquid latex and pop it back. But I'm just showing it right now in real time for you guys. So I'm gonna bend it up a little bit. I don't know, I like my ears kind of up and back. This part here, I'm gonna take my fingers and just kind of shape it a little bit. Modeling clay is very nice because you can make lots of little details. So I'm gonna try to sculpt that in my ear so it matches my actual ear. So now that I have that one on, I'm gonna go ahead, take my liquid latex again and just put it right here on the sides, just so it sticks down. But honestly, this modeling clay by itself, it sticks quite well. But just in case, if you were doing, you know, this for Halloween, you want it to stay intact. For my foundation, I'm going to go ahead and paint the modeling clay here. Now I just have an eyeshadow palette here, and I'm just going to do just a smidge of some shading in here. This is just like a lighter peachy color to kind of help blend over the latex here. There. So now let's go on to the liquid latex and the Kleenex. So same thing here. I'm going to go ahead and get my foundation and just dab that all over. All right. So now let me get my hair down and let's do a final reveal. Alright, so that is it, guys. I hope you found this helpful. Again, let me know if you're going to be an elf or some type of fairy or whimsical creature. What do you think, guys? Do you like this one better or this one? Personally, I like this one, the magic modeling clay, a lot better because you can just mold everything so well. And it actually worked out well, just kind of sculpting it right here on my ear. And I would say in like an hour, you know, it would dry up a little bit more and it would be fine. This one, I do like this one as well. I would probably build it up a little bit more, but that's something you can definitely do. Just make sure you have something down because you don't want any liquid latex in your hair. And yeah, I actually like both of these quite a lot. And that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial on some easy elf ears. Let me know in the comments which side you like better, which one will you try out. And yeah, stay spooky this Halloween. Of course, stay safe. And that is it, guys. I really appreciate it. If you want to help me out and like support me as a creator, honestly, leaving a like, dropping a comment, and subscribing are all things that are super easy and they help me out. So I really appreciate it, guys. I really appreciate you being here and watching my videos. And that is it. I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys. Oh my gosh, see you guys? This is what I mean. Make sure you have... Oh no. What the heck? Oh no.
Latex. I found out about the lasagna.
What?
It's individual little ones.
Are you gonna make it?
Yeah.
Yoo-hoo! I'll take one.